there, Jim Lee from the Fleet Office here. Just going to give you a overview of our FleetHire ERP. The FleetHire ERP is a program that allows you to run your entire hire business from start to finish through one program. Our other apps and programs do feed into FleetHire where required, such as the telemetry data. We'll make a number of videos to show you the exact workings of each component. This is just an overview. So to get into FleetHire, we just go into Fleet Center where all of our programs are located, and we hit either the FleetHire large bar here, or we can grab it on the left hand side. What you see with FleetHire is as we open it up, all of the subcomponents of FleetHire open up down the side here. You're presented with a dashboard. Dashboard, until you modify it, is just where your locations are in the world, and then we go through the different components. Clients. This is where we can manage any clients that we have. We can quickly add them. We can also add them in when we're creating a quote or a contract. And this is how we manage them though. So if we do a real quick ad, come back here, we'll be able to see where they are. When we go into an individual client in the video later on, we'll show you how to set them up and make sure they're exactly correct. Quotes. We knock out quotes really quickly using this tool. Send the information off to the customer. From there, it's either accepted via a mobile phone, signing on the screen, or an iPad, or even a desktop. A quote obviously goes on to become a contract. The information gets moved across, and a contract can be amended once it's in place, changed. The assets on hire, the hire duration, stand downs, all the rest of it is managed within the actual live contracts. The contracts then go on to form a component of the hire calendar. The hire calendar shows up any assets that you've got currently on hire to people. We'll populate this as we go so that we can show the information here for all of our assets that are out on hire. Obviously, at the end of each month or on demand, you want to convert the contractual information into invoices so that you get paid. This component here allows you to do that. We'll go into that in a bit more detail separately. These parts at the bottom are all one video that we're going to go through first, which is how you set up the actual company. Once they're done and in place, you shouldn't really be in there too often. The only time that you'll come in here is when you want to change the rate of your assets as a default, or change the templates in which information is sent to your customers in the flash of an email, rather than writing out information again and again and again. So that's the overview of our FleetHire program. The subsequent videos will look at the setup, and then we'll go through each element in detail.